Okay, this is our Shark IQ robot self-empty robot vacuum. It is RV1000S series, and I'm about to start this vacuum. In cell phone app, I'll show you real quick. Just hit the hit the button, clean, and yes, I want the whole entire house to clean this, to vacuum. So far I really like this vacuum. I mean, me that I'm working, my husband working, and this really helps. So this, there she is, she's working, she's vacuuming under the bed. um, what I like this vacuum is, you know, in your business schedule, that really helps. So yeah, she's vacuuming right now, the or under the bed. Yeah, where's she at? Where's she at right now? Let me check. There, there our vacuum. And this vacuum have a drop-in sensor. Like example, if she will vacuum like stairs or something, like about to go to stairs or something, she have a drop-in sensor. We have basement in here, so we don't worry about, you know, of dropping this, or this vacuum will fail because it will sensor. And also, this vacuum, you know, you can just manage of, like if you just want to clean particular area in your house, like if you want just the bathroom or just the bedroom, or if the kitchen needs to vacuum, you can just, you know, set up like that, and yes, it works. But make sure before you start the vacuum, you have to pick up, you know, like the big stuff, you know, just like here in the house, you know, we carefully, you know, how we I mean, we take her this vacuum. We don't want to ruin this vacuum. This is expensive. So like the big stuff on the floor, we don't want it stuck, you know, and it get ruined. So I mean, like the clothes, or you know, if you have dog, like the poop or pee, or wipe it, you know, something like that, because you have to careful, you have to take care your stuff too, so it don't get ruined, you know. So there's she is. So it's really good, and so far I don't have complaint about this, and it satisfy what I need, you know, here in the house. And that's the empty bin where the vacuum will empty herself. So when the vacuum itself is full, so she will just go there and empty. And yeah, this is really good. And sometimes like I just let this vacuum run by herself, and like we're going out and I can check it on the phone in the app, and I can check it that she's still cleaning. So there she is. And also you can set up also in like the Google assistant, and if you don't have Alexa, it works too. Yeah, it really clean our floors, especially that we have hardwood floor. There are just areas in the house that the vacuum can't clean. Of course, it's understandable. it's understood just like that. The vacuum cannot reach, so I just use my hardwood, floor mop, and I can mop on there. So that's not a big deal. The most part, it helps for us, especially that we're working. So right now I set up to clean the whole house. So here in the smartphone app, um, I will just have to show to you the, going to dock, and I can um, bring it out and clean the specific area in my house. So I'll just click this go to dock right now. It's communicating. Now she's going to the dock. She's docking. So she's done emptying herself, so that's quite cool. You don't need to worry to empty. So she does by herself. So this is my own review, and I like this. Yes, and we will keep this vacuum. Thank you for watching.